my god.
Don't move.
Damn, was that like a transformer or something? Oh my god. Oh my god! What do you do in that situation?
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and fell into the water.
Wow. Wow. This motherfucker just sitting there like, wow. Wow. Man, what are you doing if that's happening in front of you? What do you do? I think I'm saying, fuck it, I'm jumping in the water or something, you know what I mean?
Wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
That's crazy. Oh!
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no, buddy. Oh, he just standing there too. Motherfucker, if you don't move.
This cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
You finna see a cheese boat? Oh! The way this motherfucker looks. They already laughing and shit in the background. Look at this lady over here. She said, "Oh hell no! Oh my! That shit saved his life! Oh my god! Holy fucking moly! You seen that shit? He was running like he did. Oh my god! If he was still standing there."
Back in 2018,
Ooh,
this
you would've
massive
been dead
mudslide in
meat.
Switzerland was caught coming down a
Wow.
mountain.
What the hell is that? Oh my god, is this like Hawaii or something? Oh my god. She's still standing. Damn, she a gangster, man. She's standing there with her hands on her hips like that, just watching this shit happen. They must see that all the time.
In 2023,
Oh my-
this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
Oh, look at that shit! Oh!
In 2014, this
See,
volcano
I
exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
here we go.
Oh my god! Like a damn transformer came busting out that bit. Goddamn Decepticon was in there.
On November 30th, 2018,
Damn, that
a
was
7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
Oh no!
Alaska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
Oh my god! And they just standing at the window like ain't nothing going on outside.
Back in 2019, a super rare
Crazy
event happened that allowed
motherfuckers.
parts of Southern California to receive snow.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude going down the damn. Buddy, what the hell? You don't know what's going on. He just
they
minding
also
his
got to
own business,
experience what
trying to
snow
break,
lightning is
trying not to fall over the whole damn time. Look
California
at
to
this
receive
motherfucker.
snow.
Buddy, what the hell is you doing? Just damn.
And they also got to experience what snow
Damn.
lightning is like.
Got my umbrella, but I know I'm gonna get wet. And look out, like, our street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like
She's
for people driving into
Oh
Los
my
Angeles back in
fucking
December 2017.
god. That looks like the end of the world. Holy shit. Like, what do you even do? You gotta just drive down this shit? Like, this just started happening? This becomes a part of your daily routine? Oh my god, this looks fucking
This is what the morning commute looked
crazy.
like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December
Whoa.
2017.
Nah, you would actually think your whole city's about to burn down. Had you just sitting in the car? Oh
About
my
12 months
god.
ago, a super intense tornado went past this guy's house in Illinois.
Motherfucker, if you don't get inside! You're about to get sucked up, buddy!
This hailstorm in Texas was so
God.
intense that the hail started coming inside the home.
Oh my.
He left something outside in the rain and had to go get it.
Okay, really?
About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
Yo, what the hell? Oh, look at the dude! Look at
Here's
the dude!
another rock slide video that happened in China in
Holding on for his
2023.
life. See, now I don't trust anywhere with these high-ass mountains or cliffs. I'm really never gonna look at this shit the same. What was that?
Back in 2015, Los
This
Angeles
looked like
had a
Florida.
very rare
Oh, okay.
tornado event.
Oh. Damn, motherfucker, get away from the window! These motherfuckers really don't know the #1 rule?
About 6 years ago, these people reported they
Jesus,
escaped
oh
from
my
a wildfire in California.
Yo. I couldn't have. This actually looks like the end of the world. This looks crazy. Like a damn movie scene. My god, it's like on the road and shit. Wow.
This reporter in France got
You
a little
wouldn't
too
even
close
think it looked like that on the other side. That's crazy they just drove through that and then bam, it's okay again.
to this wave.
Okay, really, buddy? You can't pay me enough to be out here. Oh.
Back in 2018 in Hawaii, this
What
car was
the-
parked in the worst spot possible.
Hello? What in the Vecna is going on over here? What in the upside down, upside right? The hell?
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes
Wow, I
in the
think I've
history of
seen this
Kansas
somewhere before. This is an incredible shot. Look at this.
was spotted.
You think it's not that big. Oh, it's big. You hear that shit?
I know that icebergs are bigger
I'd be
underwater than above
terrified.
water, but this is kind of crazy.
What the hell's going on? What the hell?
In Pakistan in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche.
Oh my gosh! Run, motherfucker, run! What did you doing? And that's how people get buried alive. I'm not even kidding. Oh my fucking god.
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying
just
over
standing
Finland.
there. Oh!
This giant boulder came within inches of crushing this
Wait, it actually got struck by lightning? How the fuck was it still flying? That was close though.
house. Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy
Oh
the
my
other side of
God.
the house.
Damn.
In 2019,
That's
this
gonna
cruise ship near
cost.
Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Motherfuckers in Norway were like, no way!
Get that on
Yeah,
video.
it's officially over.
She getting whacked in the head, and this motherfucker over here like, yeah, I'm gonna get this on video. You stupid.
encountered some heavy seas.
What'd she get whacked with? Oh, she got.
Get that on
Yeah,
video.
it's officially over.
Oh my god.
In
See,
2021,
fuck all that. I can't go on no goddamn cruise anymore. That shit sound real nice to end up in a situation like that.
these people were rock climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
Can you imagine being this high when this happens?
This
And the-
snowboarder in
oh my
Nevada accidentally
gosh.
triggered a giant avalanche.
Oh! Whoa! Oh my! Holy shit! And
This
there's people
video
just
from
standing up there
2015
too.
shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
Surf's up, dude! Look out below! Oh shit! Oh! Damn, how does that not?
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
Oh my god, so this was like the same situation with the fires? Oh, this
A
is crazy.
6.7 magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding. This dad tried to save his trampoline
Motherfucker
from
said I do! Oh!
being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there!
Oh my god, there's somebody out there?
You'll get taken too.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Bennett!
This video from
Damn,
Guatemala
what the fuck
is
are they
probably the
doing
only
out
video in the
there?
world like this.
Oh my lord.
Whoa!
Miren, 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 cabal.
What the hell?
Agarraste. Ah, lo agarré cabal.
This is
What
called
in
a
the
crown
weird
flash
combination
and was
of-
spotted in Florida back in 2020.
I hope it's getting it on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy. Whoa, look at that! The red one, you see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get lightning.
Whoa!
I didn't know that. I've been living my whole damn life and I didn't even know that. There's lightning. There could be lightning in a snowstorm?
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Oh! Run! I hope nobody's out here. Oh my damn, it almost looks sped up. That's fucking crazy. You see the way that thing is moving?
This massive tornado hit Kansas.
It looked like this is in 2 times speed. Oh, wow, that's crazy. My god, look at the way it's sucking on the ground. Everything just...
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane.
You can't even see nothing!
In 2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming was recorded.
I was gonna say, that's gotta be sped up. No, you see the way the size went? Whoa. That thing is huge.
Mira, mira. No, el que viene de abajo.
Oh my god.
No.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand.
What the fuck is that? Oh my
A
god, that's
sinkhole in
crazy.
Illinois randomly opened up earlier this year. They were driving down a
What the
road in Sydney,
hell?
Australia when this happened.
Oh. Oh, it damn near fell right on that vehicle.
This guy was in a pool when
Wow.
an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year.
Look at him, he just vibing out with it. He just... just chilling.
This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in
That
2018.
might be the safest place. Hey, where was this? Oh my god, it's coming right at you! Oh no, it's not. It said...
my god.
Damn. Oh my god. Oh no, we gotta go back to this one. Where the fuck did everybody come from? Oh my god, what the hell? Oh, I feel bad for these motherfuckers. You just casually riding this little scooter and then that shit just washes you away. That's crazy.
Oh my god.
Hell no. And that's why you wear your helmet, motherfucker. Oh, that was
Back
the
in
best moment of his
2022, a
motherfucking
huge
life.
meteor lit up the sky in Idaho.
Whoa! Whoa!
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
That looked like some doo-doo ass ice.
In June
That looked like
2020,
coffee
a
flavored
massive
ice.
landslide took place in Norway and went
Oh
into
my
the
god,
sea.
the whole fucking thing is moving? Damn, this piece of land just became an island.
All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt.
Wow.
In 2022, Puerto Rico had
Okay.
flooding that was so severe that it destroyed this bridge.
Oh my. Oh, there it goes. There she goes. It took the whole damn thing. God. What the fuck? What the hell, buddy? This
In
motherfucker just spawned a tornado on top of him?
2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Yep, they know. Look, they know. They're like, yep, get out, get out. Oh, hell nah, buddy. Oh, hell nah. Run!
These tourists on a cruise ship suddenly experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually
Damn, what the fuck? Look at her face. They all look like they get electrocuted at the
a
same
pretty
time.
scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any
What
moment.
the hell?
In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the
Wait, where was this at?
In seconds. In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the Yeah, een tornado.
One tornado. Oh my god. That thing came out of fucking nowhere, huh? Damn.
Wyoming had some pretty strong winds that
Sheesh.
happened earlier this year in April 2024.
Year? Oh, he drifted! Oh no! Oh! Oh!